Seriously, that's
He's
amazing.
a cutie.
Well, the weather continues to be amazing.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
94 out of SeaTac yesterday.
It just is a stretch
I was
of
out
hot
working
weather.
in the yard. It was definitely 94
That's
degrees.
work.
Oh my gosh, it was warm day. Yep. Well, weather-wise today, we're going to see temperatures hot again, not quite as hot. We're going to cool off a couple of degrees, partly due to just a little bit of an increase in our onshore winds, and also partly because the smoke haze is going to increase a little bit. Trade-off there. Looking out from our downtown camera, not much to look at right now. Looking towards the waterfront, we do have mostly clear skies over the interior, but a little bit of a push of marine air into the extreme south sound and also through the Strait of Juan de Fuca. Out of the airport, busy morning out there. Already pretty good backup on the departure deck to start off today. Temperatures are mild in the upper 50s and low to mid 60s, most spots to start off today. If you're heading to the mountains to escape the heat, you're only going to partially escape it as you head up there. It's going to be sunny, hazy, and hot up there as well. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, that freezing level up around 15,000 feet or above, about as high as it ever gets around here. Water temperatures, well, those continue to be very comfortable in the lakes, mid 70s mid-lake, and so it's upper 70s to near 80 degrees near the shorelines in the afternoon. Overall, sunny, hazy, and hot today, upper 80s and low 90s today. Morning clouds and partly sunny around 80 Friday, then total change on Saturday. Off and on showers, sun breaks, maybe a chance of an afternoon thunderstorm, especially north of Seattle in the convergence zone. Highs only in the upper 60s and low 70s. Back to sunshine, mid 70s Sunday. And then next week, looks like sunshine with some morning clouds occasionally and highs mostly in the 80s. So that's a little bit of an improvement. Steve and Joyce?
Okay.